Toyota, a name synonymous with automotive innovation, is once again shaking up the industry. This time, it's not about electric vehicles, EVs, hybrids, or traditional combustion engines. It's about hydrogen. The company has been relentlessly pursuing hydrogen-powered technology, carving out a new path that challenges the dominance of EVs. But Toyota isn't stopping with hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles, FCEVs. They've now taken a bold step toward developing internal combustion engines powered by hydrogen. So, why this sudden shift? What makes Toyota's approach unique, and could this innovation redefine the future of green mobility in a world striving for sustainability? Toyota's hydrogen-powered engine has sparked debates and admiration alike. Let's delve into the mechanics, benefits, and potential challenges of this groundbreaking innovation and explore whether it could truly rival Tesla's electrified empire. For decades, Toyota has been a trailblazer in the green automotive sector. Their iconic Prius, introduced in the late 1990s, remains the best-selling hybrid car of all time, setting the stage for the hybrid revolution by bridging the gap between traditional internal combustion engine, IC vehicles, and electric vehicles, EVs. However, Toyota has often expressed skepticism about fully committing to EVs, citing concerns over the environmental impact of battery production and the sustainability of lithium mining. Instead, Toyota has focused on alternative technologies like hydrogen fuel cells, which they believe offer a more balanced approach to green mobility. The Toyota Mirai, launched in 2014, was a pioneering vehicle in the FCEV market. While it initially faced limited distribution, it quickly gained global recognition and evolved into a success story, prompting other automakers like Honda and Hyundai to follow suit with their own hydrogen-powered models. Hydrogen is now being seen as a game-changer in the push for sustainable transportation. Curious to see how Toyota's hydrogen-powered innovations could change the future of green mobility? Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for the latest insights and updates on this exciting journey. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, making it an attractive alternative to fossil fuels. FCS, like the Toyota Mirai, generate electricity by combining hydrogen with oxygen in a fuel cell, emitting only water vapor as a byproduct. Unlike EVs, they don't rely on large lithium-ion batteries, which are resource-intensive to produce and recycle. But Toyota's recent pivot toward hydrogen-powered ICEs is what truly sets them apart by adapting their traditional engines to run on hydrogen. Toyota aims to combine the familiar driving experience of combustion engines with the environmental benefits of hydrogen fuel. How hydrogen-powered ICEs work at first glance. A hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine might seem like an entirely new concept, but it actually shares similarities with compressed natural gas CG engines. The primary difference lies in the fuel. Hydrogen replaces gasoline or diesel. Here's how it works. Number 1, hydrogen storage. A reinforced armored tank stores the hydrogen under high pressure. Given hydrogen's highly flammable nature, these tanks are designed to prevent leaks and ensure safety. Number 2, engine modifications. The engine requires enhanced components including stronger connecting rods, hardened valves, and specialized fuel injectors designed for gaseous fuels. Number 3, combustion process. Hydrogen is injected into the combustion chamber, mixed with air and ignited. The resulting explosion powers the engine just like in a traditional ICE. Number 4, emissions. Unlike gasoline engines, hydrogen ICEs emit zero carbon dioxide. However, they can produce nitrogen oxides, NOx, a pollutant that can be mitigated through advanced exhaust treatment systems. The result, a vehicle that delivers the same horsepower, torque, and driving dynamics as its fossil-fueled counterpart, but with significantly reduced environmental impact advantages of hydrogen-powered ICEs. Toyota's hydrogen ICE technology offers several compelling benefits. Number 1, quick refueling. Unlike EVs, which can take hours to recharge, hydrogen-powered vehicles can be refueled in just a couple of minutes. This convenience mirrors the refueling process of traditional cars, making it more appealing to drivers. Number 2, lower resource dependence. Hydrogen is don't rely on large lithium-ion batteries, reducing the demand for rare earth materials. Number 3, familiar driving. Sustainable and cost-effective manner remains a hurdle. Most hydrogen today is derived from natural gas, which still involves carbon emissions. Storage and distribution of hydrogen's low density makes it difficult to store and transport efficiently. Building a widespread refueling infrastructure will require significant investment. Engine efficiency. Hydrogen ICs are less efficient than fuel cell systems. Combustion engines lose energy as heat, whereas fuel cells convert hydrogen directly into electricity with higher efficiency. NOx emissions. Although hydrogen combustion eliminates CO2, it still produces NOx, a pollutant that must be addressed through advanced exhaust systems. The road ahead. Toyota's hydrogen-powered ICE technology represents a bold vision for the future of mobility. By blending the best aspects of traditional combustion engines with the environmental benefits of hydrogen fuel, Toyota aims to offer a viable alternative to EVs in traditional ICE vehicles. However, the path to widespread adoption is fraught with challenges. Hydrogen production, infrastructure, and engine efficiency all need to improve before these vehicles can become mainstream. For now, Toyota's efforts signal a commitment to exploring every avenue in the quest for sustainable transportation. Whether hydrogen-powered ICE will dominate the roads of tomorrow remains uncertain. But one thing is clear. Toyota is determined to lead the charge. Toyota's vision for hydrogen technology extends far beyond the automotive sector. The company is exploring hydrogen's use in other industries, such as maritime, aviation, and heavy machinery, where battery electric solutions face significant limitations. Hydrogen-powered ships and planes, for instance, could revolutionize long-distance travel by providing an energy-dense, low-emission alternative to fossil fuels. Additionally, Toyota's experiments with hydrogen and stationary power systems hint at its potential to support renewable energy grids by acting as a reliable energy storage medium. This broader application underscores Toyota's commitment to making hydrogen a cornerstone of a sustainable, multi-sector energy future. The road ahead. Toyota's hydrogen-powered ICE technology represents a bold vision for the future of mobility. By blending the best aspects of traditional combustion engines with the environmental benefits of hydrogen fuel, Toyota aims to offer a viable alternative to EVs in traditional ICE vehicles. However, the path to widespread adoption is fraught with challenges. Hydrogen production, infrastructure, and engine efficiency all need to improve before these vehicles can become mainstream. For now, Toyota's efforts signal a commitment to exploring every avenue in the quest for sustainable transportation. Whether hydrogen-powered ICE will dominate the roads of tomorrow remains uncertain. Would you consider a hydrogen-powered car over an EV or traditional vehicle? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on the future of green mobility. Thanks for watching.